What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It is what? Hump day. And it's cold outside. It's chilly here in the D&B. And I'm doing chicken and noodles. See? Chicken and noodles. It is something that we grew up on. Well, my mom used to make chicken and rice. She used to have mine to the side and add in some egg noodles. This is what this is what I like, egg noodles right here. So I am making chicken and noodles in my house my way, and you can make it in your house your way. Remember, my kitchen my way, your kitchen your way. And what we're doing here, we're using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Some chicken broth. They've been cleaned. I'm putting them in the pan. They've been cleaned and washed off. Now, I'm adding in 4 cups. Yeah. Adding in 2 cups of water because the rest is going to be, they've been clean. Now you can use, if you want to use chicken with skins, with bones, help yourself. You know, the bones hold flavor and all that stuff. But I decided to go with skinless chicken thighs because my son's like, Mom, don't do nothing with all them bones. I want baby to just eat through it. Because they greedy. They just want a baby to just eat through it, okay? So, in this pan, clean chicken, boneless skinless chicken thighs. I'm going to season them up with a little bit of seasoning oil. You know, whatever seasons that works for you in your house. Even though I'm using these seasoning, the chicken broth that I'm using is like low sodium organic chicken broth. It's just what they had. It could be regular chicken broth if you want. A little bit of pepper, garlic, and onion powder in here. And this is going to boil. You know, chicken, what do I want to say? These boneless skin chicken thighs not going to take long to cook at all, guys. I think it's a hearty meal. It sticks to your stomach. This is onion powder. How much is up to you as you cook, you taste, and you know what's good for you. What works for your household. This works for me. And yeah, thank you to all my new subscribers. Come to check out my channel. Hope you're enjoying the videos, guys. Thank you to everyone who's been buying my flour. Yeah. And this is this whole thing of chicken broth. 2 cups of water and this whole thing chicken broth. And I'm just going to let that cook. You're talking about something that's going to have flavor. Oh my God. This is going to have so much flavor. And yeah, so this is going like a number 4. I'm going to let this cook maybe an hour and 20, an hour and 30 minutes. No longer than that. It doesn't take long. We're just waiting for the chicken to boil and to absorb all of that flavor. I mean, within 60 minutes, this meal will be done, cooking on a medium high. Now, why I have you guys in here? Guys, check me out on Wizzo. Wizzo is a new platform that I'm on. They invited me to. I am so happy for that. It's going to be the banner below on the screen. The banner is going to be there. And the link is going to be in my description. Come over to Wizzo. See what I'm doing over there. If you have some quick questions about cooking, if you want to do just talk, you want to get some behind the scene conversation about on the couch, just a one-on-one personal talk with me and you, my soul squad. If you're up for it, it's intimate, just me and you, one-on-one at Wizzo. The link is going to be below. Guys, we're going to come back when this is done. I'm saying 60 minutes. Don't take long for chicken to boil on a high, medium high heat. Come back in the egg noodles and I'll show you guys what I could do. I'm all over the place. I'm tired. I've been here making flour. We've been getting it done, and thank you guys so much. But I had to get this video out to you guys. Like I said, chicken and noodles my way. It's quick, it's simple. Not to get confused with chicken soup. This is chicken and just noodles. Chicken soup is a little more things is required, like celery and a little bit of pearl onions and some peas and corn and carrots, chicken and noodles. But I will do that video how to make chicken soup. But this is just chicken and noodles. It's a staple in my household. I grew up on it. Some of you guys may remember it. I'm not sure, but yeah, I love it. They love it here. It's fall. You want something warm, thick, and hearty to stick to your stomach. So we'll be back when this chicken is boiled, add in the noodles, and we'll just put it all together. Welcome to my channel, new Soul Squads. Oh, guys, look at that. Look at my chicken falling apart. That chicken is done. Look how well it's cooking. How it's been cooked down. Yes. Well, the meat told you. Guys, if you're coming home from work, this is a 60-minute meal. A 60-minute meal. Cooking good. It's looking good. Okay, guys, this is a 1-pound bag of noodles that I'm putting in here. And that's all I need. I'm using the whole thing because I haven't got finished yet. Wait a minute. I like noodles, and I cannot lie. And you just stir it up. This is that meal. Man, you come home from work and you're tired and it's cold outside and all you got is an hour in you. Man, throw this chicken in here. Throw it in here and let it boil and season it. Yes, chicken and noodles, man. That looks so, so good. And just let it cook down. Let it do what it's going to do. I'm not going to add just a little bit more water to this because I did let my water boil down a little bit too much. So I am going to add about a cup of water to this because I'm going to add the rest of my noodles in here. This is about 8 pieces of chicken. Look how the chicken break up. Chicken boil for 60 minutes. And when I say this house smells wonderful, honey, this house smells wonderful. I like the noodles. I put my whole bag of noodles. I'm going to add a cup of water to this. I put the top on it. And when we come back, guys, we're going to taste it, season it, put some butter in it. Nothing is not better than butter. I love butter, guys. Quick recipe. Again, guys, check out that banner. Wizzo 101. Quick tip. You want to talk about something? I get a lot of letters. People ask me questions about relationships. And again, I am not a chef. I'm a home cook. This is how I feed my family every day. The things we talk about on the couch is basically my personal life experiences. Hey, I'm 50 years old. Been there, done that. Maybe somebody else have not done it yet. And so that's what we talk about on the couch. So you can still get that 101. You have something you want to ask me. You know that you can't ask anybody else. Go to Wizzo. I'm there for you. Ooh. And it's between me and you. I'm put the top on here. Add my cup of water. Put the top on here. Let that cook, babies. And we be back. Guys, I'm just adding in that water. Because remember I told you I added just like a cup of water. And I'm just going to add a little bit of pepper on top of here. Season the way you want to. I just like pepper. You know. Top it. And guys, remember my beautiful granddaughter that you guys are seeing on Saturday, Anais? Well, she also have her own channel. I mean, she's just getting started, guys. Let's help her get up to 1,000 subscribers or more. Go over there to her channel. There's a link below. It's called Anais Play Life. And go check out what she's doing over there. She's going to be doing toys, playing, doing her. Being a 2-year-old, that's what she's going to be doing. Okay, guys, when we come back, this is going to be done. We're going to almost wrap it up. Because like I said, I want to get some. I let the noodles cook. And I love just to put that butter in there. We're going to put that butter in there. We come back when it's done. Chicken and noodles Tuesday night. It's cold outside. Oh, God. We're back, guys. Oh, my God. Tell me this don't look so good. Tell me you don't want a bowl of chicken and noodles. Remember, it's not soup. This is chicken and noodles. You see how you lose those boneless, skinless chicken thighs? You don't got to worry about bones. You ain't got to worry about that skin up in here. Oh, my goodness. So, at this point, add a little bit of seasoning to it. Some salt. Well, a lot of pepper right there, guys. But I love the pepper. A little bit of seasoning. A little bit of seasoning salt. If you don't have seasoned salt, there's a little bit of pepper. I mean a little bit of regular salt in there. And a little bit of this onion powder. Don't over season it too much, but get it right for you and your family. You know what I'm saying? And to stir it up. And you know, let people season their own. Sometimes you know you want food to cook. That's my granddaughter, y'all. She's mad and upset. But that's life. Look at that. And then I'm gonna come in with about 2 tablespoons of butter. You know, butter make noodles taste good. Ooh, I'm dropping stuff everywhere. This is an hour. Literally. Like an hour and 15. But hey, who ain't got an extra 15? The noodles gotta cook and the butter gotta get up in here, the seasoning. God, we're gonna be right back. I just want that butter to get all up in here. No, it's no juices left. Because remember, this is not a soup. This is something you eat with the fork that's nice and hearty. And we'll be right back to plate this. I just want my butter to do its thing. Okay, guys, we're back. Look at that. That's it, babies. That is it. Tell me y'all want this. Get your favorite bowl. Ain't nobody eating this big bowl. This is a presentation of serving. Look at that. Fill this up. Put this in the middle of your table, honey. And I really don't eat bread or anything with this, or no cornbread. I pretty much like it as is. It's just, you know, my son called in. Mom, you gonna make a video? That's a poor man's meal. Honey, that's your meal. That's the meal I grew up on, okay? That's the meal that I like in my household. And it's hearty. And the flavors are so there. Remember, whatever seasonings you use in your house, this is a good video. This is a good meal to stick to their ribs. So when you know you feed them at night, that you know they didn't go to bed hungry. Man, this is my version of chicken and noodles in my house on a Tuesday night, and it's cold outside. And to my next video, guys, everyone just like, share, subscribe. Oh my God, please hit that bell to be notified. And don't forget to go into the link to check out everything I said tonight. Wizzo, the link is there. One-on-one, me and you. Quick recipe tip. Let's just talk like we're doing on the couch. If you have a question you want everybody else to know about. And NIE's Play Life. Everything is there in the link below. Guys, hope you enjoy my channel, all the content that comes here. And most of all, I hope you enjoy the food. Home cooked food. Not a professional chef. I'm a home cook. But I do it for my family and friends.